Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Get ready with me. And today I'm doing a very light makeup look, and I'll be using my Fenty Beauty powder in the color 410. Let me show you. I have another one too, and they both work. This one is color 385. They both work for me, but today I'll be using this one. That's what I used yesterday, and it was okay. So let me use I don't even use that powder puff that comes with it. It's still nice and white. It's in the second layer, along with the mirror. I'm just going to use my red sponge. I ain't putting on no concealer or nothing. With my mouth and everything. Powder on my lips help lipstick stay on better. Okay. You know, I don't ever put it on my neck. I don't want makeup on my clothes. That looks good. And these are good for the summertime. You gotta be putting on no liquid makeup or cream makeup. I don't know why I stopped using this, because I've had them for a while. Okay. Some blush. Where is it? Right there. I don't look like folks until I put on some blush. I need blush. I need color on my face. Using the Starry Triple Blush Palette. Okay, that's good. Put some lip balm on and my lipstick. And I found a new gray wig, y'all. I think it's cute. I have to really look when I'm putting this lipstick. I'm put red on top of that. Let this dry a bit. What I need, my eyes. I'm gonna use, what is it? Oh. The simple eyeshadow palette here. Where's my brush eraser? Here it is. Let's start with the lighter color on the brow bone. It looks like this. And this is actually white. It don't look white. See, it's white. Where's that brush? It just fell. Okay. This is sifted. Now I'm going to use the bluish color on the lid. Very light makeup. I want it to be more blue than that. And the dark color for the outer V and the crease. Just turn the air on. So that's the noise you hear. Use this, I don't know what to call this brush here. Blender. It's the blender brush. Okay, that's good. And this eyeliner. Like I skipped some spots. Let me see. I'm drawing all over my eyelid. Oh my goodness. I want mascara, or do I just want to put on these lashes and call it a day? In the meanwhile, I'm going to put this red lipstick on. I like red. Lip stain. It's a TLB in the color Boss Lady. BAWSELADY, lady. Eyebrows. I'll do the eyebrows. Those eyebrows frame the face. I use a brown, dark brown. Build this eyebrow up and fill in. And I made a mistake, so I'll just fix that after I'm through doing this. I have to build this eyebrow down right there, and then the tail. And shake it. fine. Close this up. I'm just gonna put on some little mascara. I'm using the Call Me Queen Essence mascara. $11 minutes. I just touched right there with the. It's okay. Good. What else I need? Some hair. Okay. I got a new wig. I'm just gonna put it on for right now. And in my next video, I'll be reviewing the wig. Okay. Always put the headband on first. I like these headbands with the knot, like the turban. Wearing a half wig. Wearing wig grip. Putting it right here. Oh, I just got my own hair. And a low ponytail that I twisted and tucked under. I have never braided my hair down for a wig, ever. French cornrows and things, I don't do that. Look at this curly wig, yeah. It's wavy. I had a real curly one by this same company. I like that wig so much. I got the wavy one. It has waves. I don't know how long it is, but it's not going to appear that long on me because I'm tall. I'm 5'9.5" inches tall. This has a drawstring. I guess you can wear it as a ponytail. I wouldn't. I'm attaching this long comb at the top. Trying to unfold the wig. It folded. Let it fold in on itself. There you go. I'm going to push it back. It says a half wig. Push it back. And I'm going to put the wig down. Attach this bottom comb up under my tucked under braid. Oh, it's secure. I don't even need the bobby pins I got sitting here. Pull this headband up. Try not to get the headband on my makeup. Just here. Here's the nut. Dry air just woke up. He's 5 months old now. Look at that. And it's surprisingly lightweight. Of course, I'm not going to wear it on no 90-degree day. I don't think. Because anything you put on will make you hot. But it's lightweight. Not heavy at all. Hair's nice and soft. So, Like I said, I'll be reviewing this wig after this video. So, thanks for getting ready with me. I'm officially as cute as I can be today. Okay, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. You all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye.